Tonight, the City of Huntsville is fighting with Madison County prosecutors over the topic that won't go away for the city: open records. It involves a police officer charged with homicide. Prosecutors are demanding audio and video recordings from a police internal review board session that cleared the officer of any wrongdoing. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Schaefer. Dimitri McClinton has the night off. A grand jury, though, indicted Officer William Darby for shooting and killing a Huntsville man in April while responding to a call of a possibly suicidal man with two other officers.
Huntsville city attorneys are working to keep what was presented to the internal review board out of court. The city says it required Officer William Darby to testify what happened in April when he shot and killed Jeffrey Parker. So we asked an attorney if allowing the testimony in court violates Darby's rights.
If I make a statement and I have been coerced to make that statement, then that statement was not made freely and voluntarily on my part, and then it can be suppressed.
And the city says in the motion, if Darby didn't talk, he would have been fired. In competing court documents, prosecutors in the city argue back and forth over policies, subpoenas, and a lack of communication. In one filing, City Attorney Trey Riley told the judge allowing the materials from the review board to be used in court would hurt the police department's ability to conduct future investigations. However, he is willing for the judge and defense to see the materials as long as they're sealed. It doesn't say anything about prosecutors.
I think probably, and I don't know this, but there's a good chance they have put it all in the same bag for the court to review, and then the court can take out the pieces that are appropriate for the attorneys to review.
Attorney Russell Crumbly told me he doesn't think anything but Darby's testimony can be kept out of court, including the other officers at the incident's testimony that was given to the review board.
If you're not charged with a crime, there's no Fifth Amendment privilege against. There's no right to remain silent. The other officers, are not charged, so they don't, their duty as police officers is going to be, to cooperate.
That was Way 31 Sydney Martin reporting that tonight no one involved in the case is allowed to talk about it because the judge has issued a gag order. A hearing about the motions that are filed is scheduled for Friday.